Start of our first game. Big CS Boys versus Bratel Brewers. Pasok first 5.
Puno. Mamaya baka ito na lang.
Both teams, bago tayo mag-start, mga players ng both teams, paayos po ng tuck-in, proper tuck-in, earrings, pati mga necklace dyan, bakit tanggal na. Bulitas daw, sabi nung katabi ko, bakit tanggal din naman. Para direction laro. Thank you so much. Big CS Boys got the first possession. But pass by Bautista. Brun. Tubara. Bara. Block. Same ball. Gison. 3. Villarreal. Ule! Villarreal! Smooth move. Puante to Brun. Boarding is good, 2 points. Villarreal to Castillo. That's up a 3, no good. Villarreal got the ball. Villarreal to Verdadero. Jumper. 2 points for Verdadero. Uy, mainit. So, Villarreal. Same ball. Brun, back to Puante. To Brun again. Brun fakes to Puante. Puante to Barra. Barra on the paint. Barra got fouled. Foul number 30. First personal foul. Second team foul. Sorry, first team foul. Second free throw is good for Barra. Villarreal. Survey the D. Villarreal to Bautista. Good D by the Dios. Bautista again. 2 points for Bautista. Puante to Brun. Brun dribbling. Brun. Floater. No good. The Dios with the rebound. 2 points for the Dios. Villarreal. Dribbling. Villarreal to Castillo. Castillo from downtown. No good. Verdadero with the rebound. Verdadero on the paint. Verdadero. 2 points, no good, but get fouled.
20.
Foul number 20. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws for Verdadero. First free throw, no good for Verdadero. Second free throw is good for Verdadero. Puante, sitting at the ball to Brun. Brun to Gison. Gison, that's a 3. No good. Verdadero with the rebound. Verdadero running to Villarreal. Villarreal back to Verdadero. To Bautista. Great by Gison. Brun got the rebound. Brun running to De Dios. De Dios, 2 points. Great assist for Brun. 3-point lead for Bratel Brewers. Villarreal to Castillo. Castillo.
hindi na ako. Pero pag hindi na steroid na nabigay na ba? Nabasket? Hindi naman. Okay tayo. Okay lang.
Let's go mo na. Warning na lang. Warning.
Stop tayo, Sam.
Brun, floater. Brun, the floater is good. With a foul.
Hindi, kung sa amin, kinuha na kasi iba kasi sa amin na ano, dapat isala kami na Eman kami. Bakit nga? Oo, sa ruling. Hindi, di ba? Wala warning nga lang eh, di ba? Tapos,
Bro, the free throw is good for Brun. Villarreal to Castillo. Castillo face. Castillo from downtown again. Castillo from downtown. Three. Tuhante to Gizon. Gizon attacking. Gizon lays. Good 2 points for Gizon. Castillo to Castro. Castro 2 points. Tuhante to Brun. Brun with attacks. Floater again. Tuhante no good. Bernadero with the rebound. Bernadero to Villarreal. Villarreal to Bernadero. Bernadero to Castro. Castro no good. Baka with the rebound to Tuhante. Tuhante will run. Stop and shot. Tuhante no good. Castillo got the ball to Villarreal. Villarreal back to Castillo. Castillo. Tibole again. No good. Brun got the ball. Brun dribbling. Brun on the plane, attacking, no good. Castillo lays good, 2 points. Barha to Gizon. Same ball. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Barha jacks up a 3. No good. Bernadero got the ball to Castillo. 3v2 situation. Castillo driving. Castillo lane. No good. Gizon got the ball to Boante. Foul. Number 99. Change 5. Brun to Ortola. Back to Brun. Brun to Ortola. Ortola. 3-pointer. No good. Right. Matias with the rebound. Matias spins. Matias on the paint. 2 points for Boss Matias. Cruz. SGA. To Fernandez. Fernandez. 3-pointer. Fernandez. No good. Del Rosario get the ball. Del Rosario. To Gizon. Gizon to Matias. Matias mid-range is good. 2 points for Boss Matias. Zapanta. To him, Zapanta. Jacks up a 3. No good. Gizon with the rebound. Gizon to Del Rosario. Del Rosario to Brun. Brun. Jumper. 2 points for Brun.
bakit? Nagkano sa'yo na? Ha? Hindi. Diba? Yun lang. Kaya, Ha? Kaya, ano? Sige, wala naman.
Back to the ball game. Cruz. Robin Zapata back to Cruz. Cruz takes back to Robin Zapata. Robin Zapata. Jumper is good for Robin Zapata. 2 points. 1 point lead for Cantelo. Del Rosario to Boss Matias. Boss Matias, no good. Rebounded by Robin Zapata. Robin Zapata running. 4v2. Robin Zapata. 2 points. With a foul. Foul number 13. First personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus shot for Robin Zapata. Bonus free throw is good for Robin Zapata. 2-point lead for Big CS boys. Del Rosario kick out to Gizon. Gizon, 3-pointer. Gizon! 3! Cruz to Robin Zapata to Espinosa. Corner being no good. Gizon with the rebound. Gizon to Brun. Brun will attacks. Brun got fouled. Foul number 2. First personal foul. Third team foul. 2 shots for Brun. First free throw no good for Brun. Second free throw is good for Brun. Grabe. Dyson Cruz dribbling. 14 to shoot. Espinosa. Jackson to 3. No good. To M. Zapata. 2 points. Tie game. Official score all 25. Del Rosario to Brun. Brun to Gizon. Gizon face. Gizon attacks. Gizon no good. M. Zapata with the rebound. Still by Brun. Brun got the ball. Brun. Stop and shot. Brun. 3 points is good. 3-point lead for Baratello Brewers. Cruz surveying the deep. Cruz to Robin Zapata to Fernandez. Fernandez no good. Urtula got the ball. Urtula to Brun. Brun dribbling to Del Rosario. Papa Romeo. No good. Urtula. Out of bounds. Cruz. To Fernandez. Fernandez. 3-pointer is good. Fernandez. Del Rosario bring down the ball. Del Rosario to Brun. To Matias. Matias on the paint. Matias. And Renes 2 points. Grabbing a bossy. Cruz. Will attack. Cruz. Lay no good. Urtula with the rebound. Urtula to Del Rosario to Brun. Brun. 2 points from Brun. Espinosa to Cruz. Surveying the deep. Cruz to Robin Zapata. Being defended by Del Rosario. 10 seconds to shoot. Robin Zapata to Cruz. Cruz, kick out to Espinosa. Espinosa, no good. Urtula run with the rebound. Oh no! Oh no! Dislocation. Fernandez, 3-pointer. Fernandez. 3. Del Rosario to Brun. Brun dribbling. Brun attacking. Brun to Del Rosario. Papa Romeo jumper. No good. Robin Zapata to Fernandez. Fernandez, the layup is good. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Urtula. No good. 3 seconds. End of our first quarter. Big CS boys got the lead by 1 point. Official score 33-32. Still in favor of Big CS boys. Start of our second quarter. Both teams, proper tackling po, proper tackling. Number 1, sumunod po salamat. Team ball to De Dios. De Dios to De La Paz. De La Paz, dribbling, loose ball. De La Paz, ganda mo lagi De La Paz. 2 points with a foul. Foul number 30, second personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw for De La Paz. Bonus free throw, no good. For De La Paz. Number 30, Sid Castillo, warning. Villarreal, to Castro, still by De Dios. De Dios. Priya, De La Paz to Team Ball. Team Ball, no! 3-pointer. No good. Villarreal, dribbling. Villarreal to Castro. Castro, no good. Verdadero is there to rebound the ball. Verdadero on the pin again. Verdadero, no good. De La Paz with the rebound. Foul number 25, offensive foul. First personal foul. First team foul. No team fouls. Villarreal. Kick out to see Castillo. Castillo! 3-pointer. Team ball to Puhante. Puhante to De La Paz. De La Paz to Team ball. Team ball to Puhante. Puhante. 3-pointer. Puhante. No good. De La Paz get the ball. De La Paz dribbling. De La Paz mid-range. No good. Castillo got the rebound. Castillo to Villarreal. Villarreal running to Verdadero. 2 points. Great pass for Villarreal. 4-point lead for Big CS boys. Puhante to Team ball. To Tria. Tria. 2-pointer is good. 2 points. Tria. Villarreal to Bautista, being double team. Back to Villarreal, 14 to shoot. Villarreal to Castillo. Castillo! 3-pointer, no good. De La Paz got the ball. De La Paz to Puhante. 3-2, Puhante lane, no good. Bautista got the ball. Bautista to Castillo. Castillo giving out the ball. Pass to Verdadero. Verdadero spins. Verdadero lane, no good. Castro is there to get the ball. To Castillo. Castillo bumps. Castillo. Great E on the paint by Pratelo. De La Paz to Puhante. Foul number 68. First personal foul. Second team foul. Puhante. De La Paz. Traveling violation. Villarreal. Dribbling. Villarreal. Traveling violation. Puhante. To Timbol. Timbol to Tria. Tria to Puhante. Puhante, that's on the three. Puhante, 3 points is good. Tie game. Official score, all 29. Villarreal running. Villarreal, lay. Woo, 2 points. Tria dribbling. Tria bringing on the ball. Tria to Puhante. Puhante will attack. Puhante. 2-pointer is good for Puhante. Villarreal stops. Pass to Castillo. Castillo will attack. Castillo on the pin. Castillo gets fouled. Foul number 25. Second personal foul. First team foul. First free throw is good for Castillo. Both free throws are good for Castillo. 2-point lead for Big ZS boys. Official score 43-41. De La Paz to Puhante. Puhante will attack. Puhante. Jumper is good, 2 points. Villarreal. Spins. Villarreal lay again, no good. Bautista with a rebound. Foul number 71, first personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for Bautista. First free throw is good for Bautista. Both free throws are good for Bautista. Tria, dribbling, to De La Paz, to Timbol. Timbol, to De La Paz. De La Paz will attack. De La Paz, to De Dios. De Dios being double team. De Dios, to Tria. Tria, no good. Verdadero with the ball. Verdadero to Villarreal. Villarreal will attack to Verdadero. No good, De Dios with the ball. To Timbol. Timbol. To De La Paz. De La Paz. Big CS boys. Second unit. Pasok. Cruz, bring it on the ball. Cruz to Espinosa, back to Cruz. 14 to shoot. Cruz to Fernandez. Fernandez, no good. Back with a rebound. Good. To Matias. Matias attacks. Big CS boys ball. Cruz. To Robin Zapata. Robin Zapata, Jackson agree. So Robin, no good. Matias got the rebound. Pass to Brun. Brun, long three. No good. Fernandez. To Robin Zapata. 14 seconds to shoot. Robin Zapata kick out. Espinosa to Cruz. STA. 3-pointer. No good. Matias got the ball. To Brun. Brun to Barra. Barra. Stop and shot. Barra. 3-pointer. No good. Del Rosario got the ball. Oh no. Robin Zapata. Will attack. So Robin Zapata got fouled. Foul number 17. First personal foul, third team foul. 2 shots for Robin Zapata. First free throw, no good. Second free throw is good. Kalabaw lang ang tumatanda by Sob Robin. Brun to Del Rosario. Kick out to Barra. To Brun again. 14 seconds to shoot. Brun to Barra. Barra attacks to Matias. Boss Matias got fouled. Foul number 10. First personal foul. Third team foul. First free throw no good for Boss Matias. Second free throw is good for Boss Matias. 2-point lead for BTS Boys. Official score 46-44. Robin Zapata, turn Zapata, deep pass. Gison at the ball. Gison running. Gison takes pass to Brun. Brun, barking is good to points. Cruz to Robin Zapata. Robin Zapata! Boss, no good. Gison to Brun. 2v2 situation. Brun, loader na good. Fernandez at the ball. Fernandez running to Espinosa. Espinosa, 3-pointer. Bang, bang. Ilista mo na, boss. Grabe ka. Del Rosario to Brun. Kick out to Gison. Gison answers back. Gison, biling. Cruz. To Espinosa again. Espinosa no good. Matias got the ball. Matias to Del Rosario. Del Rosario running. Del Rosario to Brun. Brun sa finally. Brun to Matias. Boss Matias. Dribbling. Boss Matias. Steal by Espinosa. Espinosa to Boss Robin. Boss Robin Zapata. No good. Espinosa to Cruz. Cruz to Boss Robin. Boss Robin. 2 points. Grabe ang lakas. Parang 16 years old. Gison dribbling. Gison defending the ball. Gison to Del Rosario. Bahala na siya. Del Rosario. 2 points. Papa Romeo. Cruz. To Espinosa. Espinosa just on the green. Espinosa no good. Fratello ball. Time out. Fratello Brewers. Back to the ball game. Brun to Del Rosario to Barra. Barra to Gison. Gison will jam up a great. Gison no good. Del Rosario with the rebound. Del Rosario to Matias. Matias no good. Robin Zapata with the rebound. Robin Zapata to Fernandez. Fernandez face Fernandez. Boarding is good. 2-point lead for BTS Boys. Official score 53-51. Brun dribbling. Being defended by Cruz. To Gison. 14 to shoot. Gison to Brun. Brun 3-pointer. No good. Del Rosario got the ball. Del Rosario. 2 points. Papa Romeo. Robin Zapata dribbling down the ball. 14 to shoot. Long three for Robin Zapata. 3 points. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Brun to Bara. Bara 2 points. End of the first half. 1 point lead for PCS boys. Official score 56. Our second half. Villarreal, the point guard. Villarreal dribbling to Robin Zapata. Robin Zapata, 3-pointer. So, grabe ka, 3 points. Juan to Brun. Brun to Gizon. Gizon will attacks. 1, 2, Nelly. 2 points with the foul. Foul number 99. Second personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw for Gizon. Bonus free throw is good for Gizon.
Ano lang?
Villarreal. Foul number 91. First personal foul. 14 seconds with the shot clock. Villarreal to Castillo. Castillo! Jackson Madrid no good. Puhante ka the ball. Puhante running. Puhante to Brun. Brun! No good. De Los Saro to the ball. De Los Saro to Puhante. Puhante. No good again. Penetero to the ball. Verdadero to Villarreal. Villarreal. Atas. Spin lane. No good. Parang John Wall. Pero hindi na shoot. Gison got the ball. Gison to Buhante. Buhante to Brun. Brun spins. Brun. Whoa. No good. Tria is there for the rebound. Tria no good. Tapos agad the rebound. Grabe ang mga moves nila guys. Baka si Boss Robin gumagaya din. Nangiingat-ingat din. Boss Robin to Villarreal. Villarreal to Bautista. Bautista no good. Bautista again. Great D. Verdadero with the ball. Verdadero. Second chance opportunities. Good. Puhante. To Del Rosario. Del Rosario to Tria. Tria kick out to Brun. Brun. Jasa Madrid. Brun to me is good. Brun. Castillo. To Villarreal. Villarreal handles. Villarreal got fouled.
91.
Foul number 91. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for Villarreal. First free throw no good for Villarreal. Second free throw is good for Villarreal. 1.2 for BCS boys. Puhante to Brun. Brun to Gison. Gison to Puhante. 14 seconds to shoot. Puhante to Tria to Brun. 10 seconds to shoot. Brun. Oh no. Big CS boys ball. Robin Sabana from downtown. No good. Tia got the rebound.
Yung baba to.
Tia got fouled. Foul number 5. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for Tria. First free throw is good for Tria. Second free throw no good for Tria. Seconds to shoot. Castillo to Villarreal. To Robin Sabana. Robin Sabana not gonna drain. No good. Gison got the ball. Gison running. Pass to Brun. Brun. Big CS boys ball. Substitution. Barha in. Brun out. Villarreal, 2 points with the foul. Foul number 6, first personal foul. Third team foul. Bonus free throw no good for Villarreal. Tria to Barha. Barha to Puhante. Puhante to Gison. Gison dribbling. Gison. Great team for Castillo. Gison to Barha. 10 seconds to shoot. Barha to Tria. Tria no good. Robin Sabana kaya rebound. Robin Sabana to Villarreal. Villarreal to Verdadero. Barha got the ball. Barha dribbling on the ball. Barha. Late 2 points for Barha. Tie game. Official score all 64. Castillo running. Castillo with attack. Castillo. 2 points. Puhante to Barha. Barha dribbling. Barha freaks. Barha bombs. Back to Puhante. Still by Castillo. Castillo layup. It's good. 2 points. Tria to Del Rosario. Del Rosario, Jasa Madrid. Del Rosario, 3. Papa Romeo. Villarreal running. Foul number 13. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Pratelo. Castillo, Jackson Patri. No good. Barra with the rebound. Barra to Brun. Brun. To De La Paz. Back to Brun. Brun to Matias. Matias. Dribbling. Matias to Tria. Tria to Brun. Brun with attacks. Brun. To Loader. It's good in the foul. Foul number 30. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Bonus free throw for Brun. Bonus free throw is good for Brun. 2-point lead for Pratelo Brewers. Villarreal to Castillo. Castillo wants that three-pointer. Castillo 3. De La Paz. Dribbling on the ball, pass to Barra. Barra, 1-2. Steal by Villarreal. Villarreal running. Villarreal spins. Villarreal, top shot, 2 points. Boom. To Matias. Matias, mid-range is good. Villarreal. Will attacks. Villarreal. Yo-yo move again with a foul. Foul number 91. Third personal foul. Penalty. Bonus shot for Villarreal. Bonus free throw is good for Villarreal. 4-point lead for BGS Boys. Official score 76-72. Matias Loader is good. 2-point lead for BGS Boys. Villarreal running. Villarreal being defended by Brun. Villarreal on the paint, kick out to Robin Zapata. Corner is good. Robin Zapata still, pero Zapata and still in by Barra. Barra 1v1 situation. Barra is good. Timeout, Big CS Boys.
Okay na, nalagay na po. Nalagay na.
Back to the ball game. Villarreal bringing on the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Villarreal. Same ball. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Villarreal. To Castillo. Oh, good. Matias, to Brun. Oh no, too much force on the pass. Uy, grabe, parang ano, akyat bahay. Villarreal. Surveying the D. Villarreal being defended by Brun. Uy. Same ball. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Villarreal, bringing the man again to Brun. Villarreal, kick out to Robin Zapata. Robin Zapata, 3-pointer. De La Paz. Attacking De La Paz. No good. Verdadero to Castillo. Castillo is good in a foul. Foul number 17. Second personal foul. Penalty. Bonus free throw for C. Castillo. What's up? Bonus free throw is good for C. Castillo. Substitution. Brun. 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 Jumper. No good. Fernandez got the ball. Villarreal to Fernandez. Fernandez! Bang! 12-point lead for BCS boys. Brun to Tria. Tria no good. Bara got the ball. Bara is there. Traveling violation. Villarreal to Espinosa. 2-pointer is good. Espinosa. 2-pointer. De La Paz to Brun. Brun to De La Paz. De La Paz. Villaga. Loose ball. Bara got the ball. Bara to Matias. Matias mid-range is good. 2 points for Matias. Villarreal to Fernandez. Fernandez to Castillo from downtown. Castillo. Bang bang. Castillo. Brun to Matias. To Bara. 14 seconds to shoot. Bara, 3-pointer. No good. Tia got the rebound. Tia, 2 points. 13-point lead for BCS boys. Official score 93-80. Twenty seconds. 15 seconds. Fernandez, 2 points. Great pass. 5 seconds. Shot not counted. Basket no good. Official score 95-80, 15-point lead for BCS boys. Start of the final quarter. Pujante to Del Rosario. Del Rosario, jumper is good, 2 points. Villarreal, dribbling. Pinipene kay Brun. 14 seconds to shoot. Villarreal to Benedero. Benedero attacks. To Cruz. Deep pass. Brun got the ball. 4B to Brun. To Gizon. Gizon Casa Madrid. Gizon. 10-point lead for BCS boys. Cruz to Villarreal. Foul number 91. Fourth personal foul First team foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Villarreal to Verdadero. Traveling violation. Pohante to Del Rosario to Tria. No good. Tria get the ball to Gison. Gison just a Maglia again. No good. Brun is there for the rebound. Brun. 3-pointer. No good. Pohante is there again to Gison. Gison bumps. Gison. To Brun. Brun to Lothar. 2-point Brun. 8-point lead for BTS boy. Villarreal will attack. Villarreal, no good. Brun is there for the rebound. Brun to Pohante. Pohante, dribbling. Pohante, step back shot to the point. Timeout, Big CS boys. Isa na lang po ang inyong timeout, Big CS boys. Sa mataas sa Pradelo, dalawa pa po. Official score natin, 95-89. Still in favor of Big CS boys. Back to the ball game. Castillo being defended by Buhante. Castillo to Verdadero. Verdadero on the paint, no good. Tria to the rebound. Tria to Brun. Tria dribbling. Tria to Del Rosario. Del Rosario to Gison. Gison! 2 points. 4-point lead for Big S boys. Villarreal is defended by Brun. Repos foul po. Repos foul. Last foul, last foul. Foul number 9, first personal foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Castillo, 3-pointer. No good. Robin Zapata with the rebound. Robin Zapata on the paint. Robin Zapata get fouled. Foul number 13. Third personal foul. Third team foul. 2 shots for Robin Zapata. First free throw no good for Robin Zapata. Both free throws no good. Robin Zapata get the ball again. Robin Zapata spins. Robin Zapata. Boarding. Redeemed himself. Buhante. 3-pointer. Buhante. Bang. 3-point lead for BTS boys. Villarreal independent with Brun. Brun steal. Brun. 2v1. Brun. Wide open lay. 1-point lead for BTS boys. Pradelo ball. And seconds to shoot. Puhante, pinata. Puhante, no good. Penedero, to Bossa Robby Sabata. Bossa Robby Sabata spins. Bossa Robby Sabata. 2 points, it's good. Puhante. To Brun, 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Brun dribbling. Brun. Mid-range, no good. Espinosa got the ball. Espinosa to Villarreal. Villarreal running. Villarreal spins. Villarreal, no good. Del Rosario with the rebound. Del Rosario. He pass, but Brun got the ball. Brun to Tria. Tria. 2 points is good. Castillo being defended by Puhante. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Castillo lays good. Puhante surveying the D. Puhante to Gison. Gison attacking. Gison lays good, 2 points. Still a 1-point lead for BCS boys. 101-100 official score. Time remaining 4 minutes and 58 seconds. Castillo being defended by Puhante. Castillo will attack. Still, Gison to Brun. Brun. 2 points for Brun. Fratello got the lead by 1 point. Villarreal. Foul number 9, second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Fratello Brewers. Castillo will attack. Castillo got fouled. Foul number 6, penalty po. Second personal foul number 6, penalty. 2 shots for Boss Castillo. First free throw is good for Sid Castillo. Both free throws are good for Sid Castillo. BCS boys got the lead again by 1 point. Puhante to Del Rosario. Del Rosario no good. Bernadero got the rebound. Bernadero will attack. Bernadero 2 points. Puhante. Steal by Robby Sabata. Robby Sabata to Villarreal. Villarreal. Easy 2 points. 5-point lead for BCS boys. Tria to Del Rosario. Back to Tria. Tria. 3-pointer no good. Bernadero to Robby Sabata. Robby Sabata to Espinosa. Espinosa waiting for his teammates to Villarreal. Villarreal will attack. 2 points with a foul. Foul number 9. Third personal foul. Penalty. Bonus shot for Villarreal. Bonus free throw is good for Villarreal. Timeout. Fratello. Official score 110 to 102. Time remaining 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Once again for our next game, Marquis versus Tres Marias. Back to the ball game. Barra to De La Paz. De La Paz, back to Brun. Brun to De La Paz. De La Paz to Gison. Gison relax, damper. Gison, no good. That's gonna second ball. Villarreal running. Villarreal spins. Villarreal lane, no good. Villarreal get the ball again. Kick out to Espinosa. Espinosa, no good. De La Paz get the ball. De La Paz bringing on the ball. De La Paz will attack to Tria. Tria no good. De La Paz get the ball again. Out of bounds. Castillo being defended by De La Paz. 10 seconds to shoot. Castillo to Villarreal, 5 seconds. Robin Zapata takes the three, no good. De La Paz to Barra, 3v2. Barra no good, Tria is there for the putback, 2 points. Castillo will attacks. Castillo no good. Brun is there for the rebound. Brun to Tria. Tria wide open. Lay. Tria 2 points. Timeout. Big CS boys. Official score 110. 106. 4-point lead for Big CS boys. No timeout remaining for Big CS boys. Back to the ball game. Last 2 minutes. Villarreal, dribbling. Villarreal. 10 seconds to shoot. Villarreal to Robin Zapata. Robin Zapata. Bordering. 2 points. 6-point lead for BTS boys. Brun to De La Paz. Back to Brun. 14 to shoot. Brun to De La Paz. De La Paz to Barra. Barra. Reverse and lay is good. Villarreal. 2 points. Villarreal. Brun to De La Paz. De La Paz to Barra. Barra 2 points again. 4-point lead for BTS boys. Time remaining 1 minute and 4 seconds. Fourteen to shoot. Robin Zapata being defended by Gison. Robin Zapata to Castillo. Castillo breaks. Castillo will attack. Ref was foul, ref. Foul number 4. First personal foul. Penalty. First free throw is good for Sid Castillo.
No.
Second free throw good for Castillo. Gison to Tria to Brun. Brun to De La Paz. De La Paz will attack. Villarreal to Robin Zapata. 2 points for Robin Zapata. Timeout. Costello. Both teams, no timeout remaining. Back to the ball game. Seven-point lead for BGS Boys. It has scored 117-110. Steal by Steve Castillo. Fourteen to shoot. Long three-pointer for Castillo. Gison to Tria. Tria to Brun. Brun, long three, Brun. Oh, good. End of the first game. Our final score, 117 to 110. Great game for both teams. But Big ZS Boys got the win by 7 points. And for our next game, once again, Tres Marias versus Marquis.